Hey, welcome back. Or I should say welcome back to me. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, had a couple other things going on, but now I'm back with another install of a Bill Farrell beautiful product for Jack's beautiful C8 Corvette. Now here's what we got. These are the roof scoop or side scoop add-ons that go on the rear deck lid of your C8 Corvette. They're ABS plastic with beautiful carbon fiber finish from Bill Farrell. There'll be a link down in the description or in the comment section. They come as two pieces, one for each side. They have one nut that goes on that little bolt there, and then there's a little lip here that locks under the body panel and holds it in place. Fits very, very well. I did a test fit already. You can see how it's cut to fit the contours of the car, and it does fit very, very well. They supply you with all the nuts and washers that you need to use, and you only need one wrench, one tool. And that's a driver. This is about a 8mm maybe, I think. I wasn't sure. I ended up getting this old rusty one. I couldn't see the size on it, but I think it's a little bigger than a 7, or maybe it's a 7. Who knows? You'll figure that out. All right, Jack, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get going. Okay, we're going to start with the right side. We're going to install this in about 3 minutes. It's real easy to do. There's a little lip here that locks into here, and then this little bolt goes right through the screen here. Jack wanted to put a little bit of a double-sided tape on here for a little extra security. So it's just easy to do. Just find the lip here, slide it on. You want to come in closer, Jack? And you push it down like that, and that's on. Okay. Let me go get the other tool. I'll be right back, Jack. Okay, now this is kind of a long screw hole bolt here, so you're going to need a deeper socket. And now I have confirmed it's an 8mm. Okay. Is this not deep enough either? All right, so my sockets aren't deep enough, so I just got this little 8mm ratchet. I'm just gonna tighten that down a little more. That's good and tight. Okay, now we got the second one. This is to lock it in place. A lot of heat and vibration back here, so you don't want this to loosen up on you. Jack didn't hear that when I hit the wrench on his car. All right, that's in place. All right, Jack, let's close it down and see how it looks. There you go. One Bill Farrell side scoop, roof scoop, side vent, whatever you want to call it. There it is. Now there'll be a link down in the description. You can get this from Bill Farrell on Amazon. It's a very good price. Super easy to install, as you just saw. One nut. You got to get the right sockets. Then you'll be in place. And it's going to scoop a lot of air. You can see it's got this main scoop here, and these two little ones up here. It's going to draw a lot of air into the engine compartment and help keep it cool. Yep, and Bill Farrell makes it just that easy to bring some nice cool air into your overheated engine compartment. There will be a link down in the description below, so you can go to Bill Farrell on Amazon and get your own. As always, I'm Tim. See ya!